cells in series. This is a cell. This is a EMF. The unit of EMF is volt. 1, 2, 3, 4 cells connected in series connection with one resistor, external resistor. The current flowing from positive to negative. The N cells connected, each of EMF E, volts and internal resistance R, each cell having internal resistance small r. That is also, the unit is ohm. Are connected in the series with an external resistance capital R. Now the total EMF of the battery N into EMF. So total EMF, how to calculate? Number of, that is N into EMF. 10 cells connected means 10 into each cell EMF. N into EMF. So the total resistance of the circuit is already number of cells N, each internal resistance R. Total resistance means I have to add external resistance also. So total NR plus R. This is the total resistance of the circuit. Now by Ohm's law, you know that formula, V is equal to IR or I is equal to V by R. V is nothing but potential difference or volt. Instead of volt, you can write EMF. Both also same only. In cell, we used EMF. In battery, we used potential. Both also same only. Here, cell only we connected. So you use EMF divided by resistance. By Ohm's law, I is equal to EMF by resistance. EMF value N E divided by total resistance NR plus R. So I is equal to N E, that's EMF, divided by NR plus R. This is the formula. Suppose, first case A, if R very less than R, that means internal resistance very less than external resistance, means what happened, you see, very less than means R neglected near to 0, 0 into the N, 0, so it will become N E divided by this 0, R only will come, so N E by R. See, N EMF, that is N EMF by R. So this is potential, EMF or potential. This is resistance, potential divided by resistance, nothing but current. According to the Ohm's law, potential difference divided by resistance, nothing but current. That is I1. N into I1. I1 means what? Single cell current. Single cell current, N equal to 1. Single cell current, I1. So what is the total current? If the resistance, internal resistance very less than external resistance, means the total current in that circuit equal to number of cells into each cell current. That is a formula. So here you see I1 is equal to N equal, suppose when substitute N equal to 1, suppose N equal to only one cell, if you use only one cell in that circuit, suppose if you use only one cell, what happen? So if you substitute N equal to 1, the value E by R is the EMF by external resistance R. This is the I1 current formula. So total current value I is equal to NI1. Suppose if the case, second case, R greater than R, that means internal resistance very greater than R means, so here R is neglected. So the R will become neglected. So R will become 0. So value will become what? NE by NR. NN cancel. So EMF by internal resistance. Total current I is equal to EMF divided by R. It means the single cell current. I is what? Single cell current. The EMF by R. So if the cell's internal resistance very greater than R, so you will get total current I is equal to EMF of the cell divided by internal resistance of the cell small r. Here very important one, there is no advantages is connecting several cells. If we connect the several cells, there is no advantages because of, you see, the R, small r is greater than R means you will get epsilon r, that is EMF divided by R. This current, there is no change. Suppose if it is possible R very less than R means the number of time the current increasing.